Hello, everybody. My name is Andrew Becker. I'll prove it to you. It's currently Tuesday, January 19th. Um, I'm a critical care paramedic working out at Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. And I'm taking this course mainly as a prerequisite to PA school. I want to be a physician's assistant someday. But always, with anything in the medical field, anatomy is supremely important, and I expect it will help me out a lot when dealing with my patients. Um, I've taken anatomy a couple times before at various institutions, but as some of you might know, prerequisites have an expiration date attached to them. So if you are planning to apply to some kind of graduate level position, those grades stay with you, but the prerequisites do expire. So keep that in mind if you have any other future ambitions. I'm looking forward to working with all of you, and I can't wait to delve more into this. Sounds awesome class.